Rolling, rolling, rolling. All right, guys, here we go in. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Just like that, we've got the part, the whole part, and nothing but the part. This is...
First things first, power. Simple process. Follow me. This plug can only go one way.
Anyway, guys, if you're interested in printing engineering and we also do supply all these scanners and many more. It's a combination of price, time, and money. It's a combination. Health Aid Kombucha. It's a bubbly probiotic tea that gives you a happy gut, gives you the stuff you need to be healthy and feel amazing.
Now it's time for my favorite part of all this. I'm gonna go over the 5-year-old duet software. Woo!
All of 14 seconds. That was actually really quick. Yeah. Delicious. Here, Jay, can I kick over your head?
Can you?
I can. Okay. I absolutely can. Hold your hand there.
Oh, damn!
Vision Miner 2017 and indefinitely into the future. Peace.
I can't see Batman. Size matters and you want it to be small. We're done.
Rob is so good with videos.
Lissandro, I really hope you're saving these bloopers in a big folder.
Yeah, give me a clap.
We're here today, cause yeah, like, you know, yeah.
High energy, let's go.
Some like that.